Your garden called. It's dying a slow and painfully dry death because it's been taking too much time, hassle, and money to nurture your greeny leafy baby. But don't you worry, my homegrown waffle cone. Mr. Landscaper's got your back. Introducing the Mr. Landscaper Drip Irrigation Kits. By using drip irrigation and micro spray technology, you can give your plants a consistent flow of water that keeps them hydrated and happy. Our kits are designed for all skill levels, whether you're a homeowner, gardener, landscaper, or just a bub with a shrub. Oh, and just a friendly FYI, Mr. Landscaper's low-volume irrigation systems can save you up to 80% more water than traditional irrigation. Think about how much cheaper your water bill is going to be. Now, it can be quite a hassle and time-consuming to set up and maintain your garden. Well, hassle no more, because Mr. Landscaper's kits are easy to install and a breeze to maintain. Take our veg kit, for example. All you need to do is follow the instructions by connecting a few bits and bobs, poke a few holes, lay it out, and you can call it a day, toots. We even have tutorial videos to make your kit installation that much easier. Oh, and if you have any questions about your garden or kit, just be sure to give Mr. Landscaper a ring-a-ding on the old telephone, and they'll help you out. You don't need any special tools to install your Mr. Landscaper kit, just your bare hands and sometimes a pair of scissors. I didn't mean bare hands. Never mind. Mr. Landscaper has designed kits to match your specific watering needs and is entirely customizable. You can use it for petera, pefera, preth, plethadora, a whole lot of different ways. You can water landscape areas, flower beds, patio plants, a husband, flower boxes, vegetable gardens, and pretty much anything else you can think of. Because our kits are designed for simplicity and efficiency, you can save heaping loads of cash by using drip irrigation. I'm saving so much water! Oh, and did I already mention that they are super duper easy peasy to install? Even my husband can do it. So get back to living life and loving on your garden. Click the link or give us a call and we'll get you set up with your very own garden-loving Mr. Landscaper kit.